You're not distracted because you're lazy. You're distracted because your brain has learned something. Easy feels better than difficult. Think about it. You sit down to study, you open your book, and suddenly, your phone looks interesting. You check one notification, watch one short video, then another. And before you know it, 30 minutes are gone. But why does this happen? Because your brain loves quick rewards. A short video gives you something interesting immediately. A game gives you instant feedback. A notification gives you something new. But studying? The reward comes later. And your brain would rather have a small reward now than a bigger reward later. That's why you keep saying, "I'll start in 5 minutes." And 5 minutes becomes an hour. But there's something even more dangerous. You're training your brain to escape boredom. The moment something becomes difficult, you switch. The moment you feel bored, you scroll. The moment you don't understand something, you look for something easier. And every time you do this, you make distraction easier next time. But you can reverse it. Start simple. Put your phone somewhere you can't reach it. Choose one task and work on it for 20 minutes. Nothing else. No Instagram, no games, no random videos. Just one task. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That's normal. Your brain is used to constant stimulation. But boredom isn't your enemy. Boredom is where your attention starts coming back. And here's the part most people don't understand. You don't need to become more motivated. You need to become better at resisting the urge to switch. Because focus isn't something you're born with. It's something you train. Every time you ignore a notification, you train focus. Every time you finish a difficult task, you train focus. Every time you stay when your brain tells you to quit, you train focus. So the next time you reach for your phone, stop. Ask yourself one question. Am I actually choosing this, or am I just escaping something difficult? Because your future isn't destroyed by one distracted day. It's shaped by what you repeatedly choose, every single day.